Suman is from class 8 and the topic is microorganisms.
Good evening everyone, myself Suman. Today I am here to give my presentation. My topic is microorganisms. So microorganisms are two words, one is micro and second organisms. Organisms we know living organs and non-living organisms. What is micro? So micro means very small. Those living organs around us which we cannot see with naked eyes are called microorganisms or microbes. Some of these can be seen with magnifying glasses while some cannot seen without the help of microscope. That's why they are called microorganisms or microbes. Microorganisms are classified into bacteria, fungi, algae, protozoa and viruses. So now we talk about bacteria. Bacteria is single-celled organisms found in wide range of habitat ranging from glacier to desert. Live it together in colonies of millions. Now second is algae. Algae is plant-like structure organisms, aquatic in nature. It can be unicellular or multicellular. It contains chlorophyll pigment and carry out photosynthesis. So now third was protozoa. Protozoa is a unicellular organism, mostly aquatic in nature. For example, amphibia and paramecium. Now fourth is fungi. Fungi are plant-like structure organisms. It can be unicellular or multicellular, but they do not contain chlorophyll. Example, yeast or rhizompus. So now we talk about friendly microorganisms. So microorganisms are used in various purposes. Some microorganisms are used in production of cake, bread and cheese. Some microorganisms have been used for production of alcohol since ages. So now we talk about making of cheese, curd and bread. So bacteria is the organisms that make bread, cheese and cake. So Bacterium lactobacillus promote the formation of curds. It's convert into milk, and bacteria convert the milk in natural sugar in lactic acid. So now we talk about where do microorganisms live. So microorganisms are unicellular like bacteria, protozoa and algae, and multicellular like fungi and algae. It survives every type of environment ranging ice cold climate to marshy land, and they are found in the bodies of other organisms including humans. And now we talk about commercial use of microorganisms for large scale of production alcohol and wine. Virus are and yeast is grown on natural sugar, present grain like barley, wheat, rice and crushing fruit etc. So now we talk about food preservation. So prevention. Some microorganisms are spoil our foods. So some microorganisms are cause of food poisoning. So we learn some method to preserve the food. So boiling, dehydration, canning, salting are some method to preserve the food. So thank you for listening. Unicellular organisms are single cell organisms which we cannot see with naked eyes. Example paramecium and amphibia.
How paramecium move? What is the mode of motion in paramecium? Paramecium का locomotion कैसे होता है? कैसे move करते हैं? ये legs तो होते नहीं है?
ये वाटर से होते हैं, वाटर एंड एयर से।
वो अपने सेल का कौन सा पार्ट
ये अगले